Greeting to you, friends. I Are you looking for a way to create a gig on Fiverr? Because many people have been looking for ways in which they can create gig on Fiverr. It is very simple. And before we write on, I want to quickly introduce myself. I'm Ibrahim Media, and this is my channel. And we those that have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And those that have yet to do so, we beg you to please subscribe to the channel so that when a video is being dropped, you'll be informed or notified immediately. So this is my channel, and I do video on how to make money online, and how to also promote affiliate links as a beginner on different websites. If you are affiliate marketer, so that's what I do on this video: how to make money, how to do make money online precisely for the time being. Maybe by time other information comes, we'll also be doing the video on it. But for now, it's how to make money online. But the point that we'll be talking about today, or the topic of today, is how to create gig on Fiverr. Many people find it difficult to create gig on Fiverr. It is very simple. And if you know that you are doing anything, I kindly beg you to drop it so that you follow the video swiftly, as I'll be explaining it step by step on how to create a gig on Fiverr. Now, being having introduced myself, let us go right to the website. Now, this is the Fiverr platform marketplace. This is my account. So I have gigs here, and I've done a video on how to create Fiverr account. So you can go and watch that video on my channel, how to create Fiverr account. You will see how to create the account. It's very simple. So, but we are not going to teach on how to create the account, but on how to create gigs. How to create gigs is what we'll be discussing now. So let us go to where it says switch to seller. Let's assume you are already a buyer and you have created an account for that. So immediately, if you click on this place that it says this icon here, it will take you to where your account is, and you say switch to seller. Yes, so you can't switch to seller, and it will take you to where it says where your gigs. If you have gigs, this is where it will come to. Now these are my gigs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have about 5 gigs here on this marketplace, on this platform. So I designed a WordPress um website with a good layout. So I designed a website, and also edit the videos, provide professional translation. I also do that. Make a fantastic flyer. That is my skills. That's my gig too. Then invitation card, poster card, and greeting card can also be done on this platform. So these are my gigs. Now, how are you going to create your own? Yes, you will come to where it says create a new gig. Let's assume I want to create a gig to this additional to add another gig to these 5 gigs I already had. So what I need to do is to create a new gig, and to take me to where it says overview. Yes, this place overview. So and now, because of this teaching, I don't want to be wasting much time. So I just want to edit in my own gig, the one I did before. That is what I want to do. I want to edit it, and start explaining from there, and you will learn very fast. Now, if you look at this place where it say gig title, you see where it say I will design a WordPress website with a good layout. You can see it here. Now, if you are a translator, you say I can do a translation work for you. So whatever way that you want to choose your own gig or your title, you do it. But since it's about website, that is why you see this title here. I will design a WordPress. And if you look at this, I will. It is very faint. Meaning, if you are starting, it's already written in this format. So what you need to do is just to say design a WordPress website with a good layout. For example, you are finding it difficult to create a title, because by the time you say I will, they will not accept it. You will not say just perfect. It will tell you that you should do it again. So if you just start by writing design a WordPress website or whatever title you want to write, leave the I will, then write whatever you want to write, and so that you able to who is reading the title will be able to read all of them together and get the point, or get the point. Now this is my title, as I said before. So what we need to do now is to choose a category, and the category of this is website design. Now you can see all the categories there. We have landing page design, resume, NFT art, app design. So, but I'm using website design, of which is already here. So you have to choose your own category. You you put it there. Then immediately it will be asking you select the website types you design. You must select about three of them, maximum three. Yes, three of out of three. So is it e-commerce website where you can sell or set something online? Then or is it business promotion blog? So there are many of them here, but you have to do about three of them. That's the types of work you do. And after which you go below and see where it says search tags, database programming, creative website. About five of them, you also tag them so that whenever people are searching for something, these tags will appear and it will take them to your gig immediately. After which, what you need to do is to save, and by the time you save, it will also give you the second step, that is pricing. You come to where it says pricing. Remember, I don't want to fill in the details of myself because I don't want the video to be too long. So that's why I'm using the previous one I have created to explain it to you. So what you need to do is to go to where it says pricing and you go below. This is where the packages are. Now you see basic, standard, premium. Now if you go back to I think one of, let's assume we are doing website. Okay, let me type website development here. Okay, website. Okay, design. Website design. Now to bring out those that are doing this. Say design and develop WordPress websites. This. So let's click on that and see what we're talking about. I want to show you something quickly, very quickly. Good. Now you see this guy's own title. I will design. And remember, I told you that you are not to create this. I will design. You see, you won't create this. Just design. That is what this guy did here. You can see, good design and develop. So it's already automated. This I will. So you have to design and develop WordPress websites and so on. So this guy here is a top rated seller, which you can see very well. You can see how many orders is in queue now because this guy is a professional. Now look at his basic, look at his standard, and look at the premium. The standard is this, and why the premium is this. So what I want to show you quickly is where I say the pricing, the packages. Now the basic, if you go to this guy's one, you see there is a basic here. Under basic, it says starter. Then if you come to my own, I say silver, gold, and platinum. So this you can write whatever you want to. You can come here and copy this guy's one. I didn't say you should copy and paste just so that it not be like form of plagiarism. No. What you need to do is to put whatever you want to put. If you are finding it difficult to dictate on your own or look for the one that comes from, you can either go to already made, that is where I am now, for example. Then you come to their own. You can definitely change your own. You see, so if this guy use starter now, you can use it that way. You can also look for those that have other basics that they've created already made. Then you need to compare, and then you form your gig or you form your packages. So that's how to do it. Now silver, gold, and platinum. So what we need to do is so you write a short review on that, on basic. Yes, if for example I say simple one welcome or coming soon page design for your business, meaning if I create this for you, the amount to how many dollar here? It's about $170. You can see it here now, $170. That is the price of doing just this. Now if you are doing features of basic plus up to 8 pages plus SEO plus Google, that is to say you look at the price here, $700. Then if you are talking about high converting and professional business website design up to 10 pages, the price also differ. You see, about almost 2,000 gigs dollar to do this work. So this is how it is. So what you need to do, just to click on this place. You see, you click. So that this one is already, it's not I'm editing it. It will show this place that you should fill in your details. These are what you are going to put. The way that you can do on so amount, then you put it there with this and with this. So you can use other spoon just like this guys. this guy's own to compare what you are doing. Then after you must have done this, you see. So this is what I'm saying now. It's editable. Good. So you write whatever you want to write here. You come here, you edit it. You can do it like that. If you want to do this like this guys on standard business and corporate, then you can edit and put it here like this. Then you want to change, you click, you change. You see. Now the delivery date, you can do it depending on how you it's personal, it's optional, it's personal rather. You know you can deliver in 2 days, in 3 days, in 5 days, in 6 days. You see they are here. You scroll down, you see them. They are here 7 days, up to 10 days, 21 days. So it depends on what you can do. The same thing with the gold and the platinum. And number of pages, you can decide to put one. You come here, you decide to put 8, you can put 10. It depends on what you've written here. You see, that is what you also reflect on these pages of screen. Then you say custom assets. You decide to put whatever you want to put here. We have things like this. But if you leave it, it will automatically uh, fill itself. But if you want to do it on your own, you can also do it. But this way we are concerned about response design. You can tick this one under the silver. You can tick about two, whatever you want. You know, if it is a prototype or source file that you want it to be, or you want it to be content uploaded, you can do it on your own. Then on silver, then on gold, you can add some. Then on the other package, you can also add the other. So friends, that is how it goes. Now what you need to do again is to look at the revision. You cannot place them as unlimited because the more you do you place them like this, the more you'll be getting more getting works. Yes, from a buyer. That is, if someone want to revise whatever you have done and is not convinced, he doesn't want to accept it, you can revise it and you do it. But if you say you don't want to do it like that you want to put it 2 times, the person will revise is on your is personal. So I just decided to do my own in this form. Then the price, you have to also compare others. Now exactly what I did, I compared others own and see how I will rate my own. If this guy says now 250 and you look at it, I say 170. So if you are doing you can even break it down. And remember, it is not what they say here actually that will make them to do it. They can, before they start the work, they normally contact you and make a negotiation for the price. So these ones are just for attraction, attractional purpose. So just that for them to be attracted to the gig that you created. So it is negotiable if you want to negotiate it with them, or it depends on the type of job that the person want to do. That is how it works. So after you must have done that, the next thing is to save, and it will take you to where the next step, discussion and frequently asked question. The description, you can also do where to compare others. You should not do copy and paste either. So you have to look at about this gig. You see what this person say, hi there, are you looking for highly professional limited WordPress website, WooCommerce store, blog or corporate site? So look at what the person wrote. So you can do where to look at it and see how you are to form your own. Doesn't mean that it necessarily mean that you copy and paste. So you can do your own better than that, because the more your description, the more job or clients you have. Then after you must have done that description, you go and look at say where frequently asked questions. Also compare with others. Open like 5 or 3 new pages like this guy's own gig. Open like this, like 2 or 5. Then you compare. That's how to create a professional description or gig. Since you don't know how to do it before, so you compare with others. Don't copy and paste. I will not encourage you to do copy and paste either. Try to compare and form your own gigs or gig. Then frequently ask questions. You do the same thing. So by the time you click, if you if you want to fill in your own, you what I do is I actually write this on a separate tab. How do I mean? You write it on a document like this, You see. So you look for if you have a document, just write on the document. Then you'll be copying from your document. Then you start to paste it. That is when it will be easy for you. So if you do it like that, to be much easier. You copy, you paste. So when you say you should ask a question, you copy the question. Let's assume this is the question. You copy this, you come to this list, you place it here, you click, you paste, you come here again, you copy, that is Control C, you come to here, you drop it where you say the answer, you see, you do Control V, you paste. The same thing with this, Control C here, Control V, Control C, Control V. So that's how to copy and paste. And you must have finished doing that part. Then you save. You go to the next, and you come to where you say requirements. Yes. Do you still have concern about our business? So this is a free test that you need to write on your own. If you want to add any question, just but you must write something here. So whatever you want to write, you also do a comparison and write yours here. Now if you look at all the description, they are here. Those things we are writing, they are all here. See? So they are all here. So you compare and you create your own gig. After you must have done that, you save. You go back again. Now this is the final place before you publish your work. And this is my own primary picture. So what you need to do is to go and create pictures. Yes, you create battery pictures on the skill, your skill or your website. If you are doing translation, if you are doing logo, so whatever you are doing, your skill you have, you must have already prepared this picture down. And if you are looking at how to create this kind of picture, you can use Canva. Canva is a platform where you can design, use to design. Now I think I have Canva here. Let me show you quickly. This is my Canva. You can go and download it. So Canva is a tool or a website that you can use to create things like this. I think I use Canva. I use Canva to do this. Design premium website with good layout. Design premium website with good layout. So this, I think I did it on Canva. Then I also went to download some, some layout, good layout from website too. So if you want to do a design on your own so that it will look more attractive, you can go to Canva and use Canva. This is Canva. This some of the software, the tool I use to create some of my pictures, because it's simple to use. Just you drag and drop. It's simple to use. I don't have time of creating from scratch, so I just do a quick job so that it will be delivered on time. If you want to create your thumbnails, you see, you can also use Canva to do it. I just quickly want to show you the tool I use to do some of my pictures. So you can do where to browse it on Google, canva.com. I will take you to this place. So that is what I use to do it. Then if you want to, after you must have uploaded your video, it's not hard. You just click this place and you say upload from your system. It will take you to your PC, or if you are using PC or phone, it will take you to your system whatever you are using, and it will be uploaded. It will upload this uploaded straight to this place, and that's how these 3 pictures will be uploaded. And as time goes on, you'll be adding more pictures. But for the first time, you will go to, they will accept 3 pictures. Now you can also do dragging to drag a video. Just as I want to drag a video now, I will click on this place and browse. You see, taking to my computer. Then I drag this and open it. Then it will load. It will be on this place. So that is how, if you want to put on a document, any document, PDF, you can also do it to do it in that form. So that is how to create gig on Fiverr. From overview, pricing, description of frequently asked questions, requirements, and gallery, that is picture. Then you save. Immediately after saving this, you will publish. It will be published. Immediately you see yourself that you publish a new gig. Congratulations. That is how it is. So it is very simple, friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel. As I said before, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell or icon, so that when awesome video like this is being dropped, you'll get more to get notification about it. So if you have any question, you can simply go below the comment section and drop your question. I will give an answer to it precisely.